Hey everyone, welcome back to the Moneymaker channel. Today we're diving into some easy online money tips on how to make $900 a day using Google search. But we're not just talking about the conventional methods. We're going to explore unique platforms you can leverage to maximize earnings. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. First up, micro workers. This platform allows you to earn money by completing small tasks for businesses and individuals. From data entry to online research, there's a wide range of tasks available. By leveraging Google search to find information quickly and efficiently, you can complete more tasks and increase your earnings on micro workers. And yeah, you'll notice earnings per task isn't huge. Depending on the task, you can earn more, and remember, it adds up. We have various methods in this video so that everyone can find a strategy that fits their needs and location. Stay tuned for the final one. That's where you'll earn the most. Next on our list is SERP clicks. This platform pays you to click on search results and visit specific websites. All you have to do is perform a Google search, click on the provided link and stay on the page for a few seconds. It's a simple and easy way to make money using Google search without any special skills or experience. Next up, 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠. This suite of SEO tools not only helps you improve your website's search engine rankings, but also offers an opportunity to make money. They have an affiliate program which, once signed up, allows you to earn every time the service is used. Making use of this is simple. Take a quick look on Google search for businesses that don't rank highly, then pop them an email with your link. Try and find businesses local to you, as they will be more likely to trust your advice and you can tailor your message to what you know about them. Cool, right? Moving on to Respondent.io. This platform connects businesses with participants for market research studies and focus groups. By signing up as a respondent and leveraging Google search to find relevant studies, you can earn significant cash rewards for sharing your opinions and insights on various topics. Last but not least, the pièce de résistance. Did I say French was my hidden skill? Here's 𝐷. This platform allows you to tackle real-world business challenges posted by companies and organizations. By using Google search to research solutions and come up with innovative ideas, you can win cash prizes and even get noticed by potential employers for your creativity and problem-solving skills. Simply start answering questions. And there you have it, 5 creative ways to make $900 a day with Google search. None of these methods are completely passive, and they all require a bit of work. If you prefer to sit back and watch the money roll in, check out our video about making money by watching ads here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Happy money making.